Hello everyone, why is it that when we make poached or coddled eggs, even though we choose the right eggs, they still stick to the pot, fall apart, and end up with a pot full of white foam? Actually, it's because we're missing one crucial step. Today, I'm going to share with you the correct way to make poached and coddled eggs. By following this method, your eggs won't fall apart, won't stick to the pot, and there won't be any white foam. You'll get perfect results in one try, with eggs that are just the right tenderness. First, prepare 6 authentic hen eggs. We need to choose eggs with a rough surface to the touch. These eggs are fresher, and the whites and yolks won't separate. You can also shake the egg gently. If you don't feel any strong movement inside, it means the egg is fresh, and the poached egg will come out whole. Add a spoonful of salt to the eggs. Pour in plenty of clean water. Wash the eggs thoroughly because there is a lot of chicken manure and bacteria on the surface of the eggs. Salt has a sterilizing and disinfecting effect, so washing them this way makes it safer to eat. Next, add an ample amount of water to the pot. The water should be enough so that the eggs can float and won't sink and stick to the bottom. Then bring it to a boil over high heat. Next, prepare 3 small bowls. Crack the cleaned eggs into the bowls separately. By cracking each egg into its own bowl, the poached eggs will not affect each other, and each one will come out whole and intact. The water in the pot is already boiling, so add a spoonful of salt and stir well. Salt can speed up the coagulation of the eggs. Here, be sure to turn off the heat first. Then, pour the egg into the water, keeping the bowl close to the surface. Because of gravity, if the bowl is held too high above the water, the egg white and yolk can easily separate as the egg drops. Be sure to turn off the heat before adding the eggs, because if the water is still boiling, it will keep bubbling and can easily break apart the eggs you just put in. That will also create a lot of white foam. If the eggs aren't fresh, they'll just turn into a pot of egg drop soup. Many beginners who lack kitchen experience tend to add the eggs while the heat is still on high, so it's no wonder the eggs don't hold their shape and just become white foam. Then cover the pot and let the eggs sit for 2 minutes to set. After 2 minutes, take a look. The white egg whites have completely wrapped around the yolk inside. Next, turn the heat to low and simmer for about 3 minutes. Poached eggs cooked for 3 minutes are just right, not too hard, not too soft, with a runny yolk that's fragrant and sweet. If you don't like runny yolks, you can cook them for about 5 minutes. Poached eggs made this way are plump, intact, and silky smooth. Just looking at them makes you hungry. Next, prepare a few scallions and chop them into small pieces. After chopping, put them in a bowl, add a pinch of salt and 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce. Add 1 spoonful of aromatic vinegar. Drizzle in a little sesame oil, then pour in boiling hot water to bring out the aroma. Add the poached eggs. Having poached eggs like this for breakfast is both appetizing and warming to the stomach, making it especially comforting. Plus, eating eggs this way is very nutritious. Hurry up and save this recipe to try it out. If you like my video, remember to like, comment, and share it. Thank you for your support.